Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. Let's get right to it. First, we're gonna use the Crest $2 off one. Next is the coupon that we're gonna use on either the traditional floss, or you can use them on the picks, which is a save $2. Okay, next let's go to the cleaning aisle. Now this is an interesting coupon this week, which Family Dollar has the buy three of the Lysol disinfectant, which when you buy three, you get them for $6, and they're gonna be part of the 5 of 25 purchase. Now we're gonna pack three of these here. You can pick any of these, whichever scent that you like, and you can use the three for $6. Now this is how you're gonna see it. It doesn't show in most stores like that. You can see it like this. In this store it doesn't show it, but it is advertised on the app. So we're gonna use a buy two get $1 off, and also we are going to use the 50 cents. So make sure you clip both of them, and when you get to the register you can just use it. Next, the traditional Fabuloso. Now the Fabuloso is you can grab the big bottles. Don't grab the little ones, grab the big ones, which is traditionally $3 each. We're gonna use the $2 off Fabuloso, which is off any one. Next next is a Gain. We've seen this every single week. This week it's $2 off, which is gonna come up to $1.95. Okay, next is the Gillette. This is a beautiful one this week. It's $4 off. This will show everything that I've grabbed, all the coupons. Now, in the floss, you can get the traditional like you see here in the picture, or you can get the traditional or the new one, where is the Picks floss. Some people prefer that, some people prefer the other, so whichever one. You pick three of the Clorox cleaners, whichever scent you like. The Crest toothpaste, the Fabuloso, we have the Gillette $4 off one, which is beautiful, which is gonna come up to only about $1. Okay, you have the Gain softener, and you have the Gain powder. Now that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. That's gonna count for the 5 of 25. Okay guys, now we are home. You see all the items that I've purchased. So altogether they're about 9 items. So I did go back and I got the other floss rather than traditional. Altogether we saved $20. So it comes out roughly to about under $1 a piece for all the items. Thank you so much for watching.